Today I'm doing a project with Climbmore. As you can see, still have on my uniform. I attend Best Academy, and I'm in the 7th grade. Teacher's name is Miss Bell. Okay, the project is about how does the blade on a push gas lawnmower keep spinning. Let me show you what I have on the lawnmower first. I have a blade. This the blade on it, guys. These are two. As you can see, I have a little. I got the gas can right there. Gas there. Got the oil right here. Spark plug. The prime button right there. And we also had an engine over here. Okay. And as you can see, the dangerous. Okay. So that's and feet away. When I'm handing this, not until you come to it. What I'm gonna do is have my brother. Here he goes right here, Jarvis. Alright, hold this, Jarvis. Okay? I'm gonna crank these up. As you can see here, you look in there, you'll see like the blade and stuff in the screen. Okay. You see? That is gone. See that blade is spinning real fast. You can't see it, but it's right now. Put your hand in there, you might see it. Okay? You put your hand in there, like I said, you might see it. Okay. So if you know, if I unplug the spark plug, the whole system will unhook. If I unplug the spark plug, the whole system will unhook. I'm gonna shut down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See the whole system. Spark plug. So if my brother press this button, oh yeah, yeah. Okay, if my brother pushes the button, it goes in, let go, it goes back out. In, go back in, pull the button out, just like that. Yeah, like that. Okay, back to the danger zone. You see where the blade is now. You see, yeah, you stop this or you go get yourself hurt. Okay, here you go. Pass me your phone, dog. Okay. 2, 1. Well, you can see, I just shook you guys. I have a spark plug.